Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Mystical with RJ. So, today I'll be telling you the predictions of 2021 for the sun sign Leo. So, let's see what they have got in store for this year. Guys, for Jan, Feb and March, I've got this card. This is 9 of Swords. So, during these 3 months, you will feel that things are not going your way. But don't worry, guys, things will be alright after March. This is a little struggling and trying time for you all, but don't lose hope. Things will be fine in all spheres of life, be it a relation, be it wealth, be it professional life. And the students will feel that yes, whatever efforts they are putting in, they are not getting the correct results. But don't worry, let's check out what you have got for the next 3 months. Now I have yes. So it's a very positive card. So April, May, and June. Yes, this is 10 of cups. This is a very good card. As you can see, in relationship, you will find love, satisfaction, and happiness, togetherness. As you can see in this card, the children are playing and husband wife they are celebrating. In financial area, you will find abundance. Finances will be very good during these 3 months. If you are looking for something new business or job, you can go for it. This is a very positive period for you. April, May, and June. Now, July, August, and September. Yes, this is again a good card, Knight of Wands. But the only advice I would like to give during these 3 months is that you should not hurry and you should not worry. So, if you are involved in some job or any endeavor, go slow because your speed is all right. You don't have to hurry. So, you should develop little patience in relationship. If you are a student or if you are in a job, if you are a businessman, so this advice is common for all of you. Overall, this time will be very good. Now coming to the last 3 months. Yes, October, November, December. As you can see, I have got the 6 of the Lovers card. Yes, this is a very positive card. As you can see, the angelic blessings are on you. You will be very successful in your relationships. If singles are looking for love marriage or they are looking for a partner, they will surely get it. In finances, you will be getting abundance. And if you are trying to get a new job, yes, go for it. If you are starting a new business, go for it. So for every question, the answer is yes. So overall, this is a very good card. Now, guys, for Leos, overall, 2021 will be very good. As you can see, I have got this King of Wands. But the advice I would like to give to you is that you should listen to the small people who want to give advice to you. Don't ignore them. And while signing any document, you should always go through the details of it. Don't just sign. If somebody is coming, for example, if somebody is coming to you and saying, "Wow, this is a very good deal, and you will be you will get benefited by signing this deal," so don't just sign it blindly. Just go through all the terms and conditions. There may be some hidden, agendas for that person who is getting the document to you. This is just an example I'm giving you. So in every area, if you are going for a love marriage or if you are looking for a partner, just find out if the person is right for you or not. If in a job also, you just find out whether this job is suitable for you or not. Just don't join the job blindly. And when it comes to finances, yes, you should check on your expenses. Extra trivial expenses you should check. Otherwise, overall, the year will be in your stride You will be very successful. You should be very grateful for all the things which you have got this year. Now, let's see what the oracle card says about Leos this year. Yeah, I have got this three of blossoming. Yeah, blossoming abundance. So, guys, the message for you is that this year will be really, really lucky for you. You will gain so much of finances. You will gain abundance. But the only thing is, the only advice I would like to give is you should be grateful for it and you should sow the seeds. Then only you can reap later on whatever you are looking for in your future life. For that you should sow the seed in this year and you'll be very successful. So overall this is a very good year for Leos. All the best, take care and stay tuned for my next video for the next zodiac sign.